October calendar 2024 major festivals along with Dashehra and Diwali. October 2024 is a month filled with significant festivals and celebrations. The month begins with the vibrant Bathukamma festivities, followed by the divine Navratri and the grand Dashehra festival. As October draws to a close, the joyous Diwali festival marks its end. October calendar 2024, Telugu Panchangam festivals. The month of Ashvayuja, according to the Telugu Panchangam, begins in October. Several significant festivals and events are observed during this month, including Bathukamma celebrations, Shardiya Navratri, Vijayadashami, Dhanatrayodshi, and Diwali. During Navratri, many devotees observe fasting rituals seeking blessings from goddess Durga. Telangana celebrates Bathukamma Sambaru for 9 days, featuring various flowers and special worship of Bejwad Durgam in 9 distinct forms. Diwali marks the end of October with festivities and traditions unique to the region. Check our comprehensive guide below to learn about the specific dates, rituals, and significance of each festival and vrat observed in October 2024 as per the Telugu Panchangam. Amavasya, solar eclipse. As per the Telugu Panchangam, Amavasya, a significant new moon, will be observed on 2nd October 2024. This auspicious day is dedicated to remembering our ancestors through Shraddha and Tarpanam rituals. Furthermore, a second solar eclipse will occur on the same day, but it will not be visible in India, hence, the Sutak period does not apply to us. In contrast, Telangana celebrates the joyous Bathukamma festival, which begins on this date. Shardiya Navratri. In accordance with the Hindu calendar, Shardiya Navratri, a 9-day festival honoring goddess Durga, will commence on 3rd October 2024. The festivities begin on the Shuddha Padyami Tithi during the month of Ashwini. Throughout this period, devotees worship goddess Durga in 9 distinct forms, each representing a different aspect of her divine power. Many devotees hold the belief that goddess Durga descends to earth during this Navratri and bestows her blessings upon her devotees. Durgashtami, Ayudha Puja. During Navratri, significant observances occur on the 10th and 11th days, including Mahaashtami, Durgashtami, Mahanvami, and Ayudha Puja. Among these, Durgashtami Puja holds particular importance. On this day, devotees worship Mahagauri, the 8th manifestation of goddess Durgamma. Furthermore, Mahanavami Day is marked by the celebration of Ayudha Puja. According to Puranas, it is on this day that Amavaru triumphed over the demon Mahishasura. Dashehra Festival. On 12th October 2024, the Vijayadashami, Dashehra, festival, signifying the triumph of good over evil, will be observed. According to Hindu scriptures known as Puranas, it was on this auspicious day that Lord Rama vanquished the demon king Ravnasura. Papankusa Ekadashi. On Sunday, 13th October 2024, Papankusha Ekadashi will be observed. According to popular belief, initiating a fast on this particular Ekadashi Tithi, which falls within the Ashwini month, will absolve individuals of all their sins. During this auspicious time, devotees pay homage to Lord Vishnu. Pradosha Vrat. On 15th October 2024, devotees will observe Pradosha Vrat, a significant ritual honoring Lord Shiva and Parvati. This vrata, which is repeated on the 29th of the same month, offers devotees the opportunity to seek their divine blessings. Sharada Purnima. On 16th October 2024, which fell on a Wednesday, the full moon in the month of Ashwini occurred, known as Sharada Purnima. Many individuals believe that observing a fast on this auspicious day has the potential to bestow wealth and prosperity upon them. Dhanatrayodshi, Karva Chauth. In North India, the Karva Chauth festival carries immense significance. This year, it will be observed on 20th October 2024. Many individuals believe that fasting during this auspicious period will bestow happiness and prosperity upon their families. On the other hand, 29th October 2024 marks the celebration of Dhanatrayodshi. This festival is considered an auspicious occasion to purchase valuable metals such as gold and silver, symbolizing abundance and wealth. Diwali Festival. The celebration of the Diwali festival this year has sparked debate. Some individuals observe the festival on Kartika Amavasya, while others adhere to the Kartika Suddha Padyami Tithina tradition. As a result, Diwali will be celebrated on both 31st October and 1st November. However, according to the Hindu Almanac, the official Diwali festival date is 31st October.